Here's how to create a Google form and share the link. First of all, you need to launch a web browser and go to docs.google.com. Then try creating a new form or select an existing one. You can use any template from the display over here. Give the form a name and add a question and other sections as you prefer. Now, in order to share, tap on the share button in the top right corner of your screen. And you can click on this paperclip icon over here to copy the link. Tap on copy. And after the form is published, you can go ahead and share this link to anyone that you prefer, and they'll be able to access the form. And to check responses, you can return to the form. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.